start the lesson. Now, a triumph of surgery. What is the lesson about basically? पहले ये समझ लें lesson किस बारे में. थोड़ा सा overview. Lesson is about a dog. It's a very interesting story. Many of you must be having pets at home. Okay, you must be having pets like cats and dogs, etc. And obviously, you all love your pets. So here we have the story. It is the story of a dog who is loved by his master, and not only loved but pampered. Love, all of you know love, and all of you know pamper also. Pamper means to do extreme love and extreme care, that is pamper. And if you know it, what happens if a child is pampered? What happens? Anybody tell me? What happens if a child is pampered? The child gets spoiled. Okay? लाड प्यार ज्यादा करते हैं पेरेंट्स, तो कई बार क्या होता है, बच्चा बिगड़ जाता है. So here there lot of lard pyar is being given to this dog, and this dog, it is given a lot of nice things to it, and it is treated like a human being. It is not treated like an animal. It does not get much exercise. So because of all those things, what happens is that it becomes very inactive, listless. Okay, and the owner is worried. What has happened to the dog? And the owner of the dog is a woman. She takes him to the who is the doctor who treats animals, a particular doctor. He is called a vet. You must be knowing VET vet. VET vet. Vet means veterinary. If a human being like you fall ill, you go to a doctor. You have a pet. Your pet falls ill. Then where do you take him? Do you take him to the doctor to whom you go? No. You will take him to a specialized doctor. And that person is called a vet. One who treats these animals is called a vet. So this woman took the dog to a vet, and the vet was a very, very intelligent man. And he knew the master, he knew the owner of this dog. He knew earlier for a long time. So he finds out that the dog is not, there is no problem with the dog. ऐसा नहीं कि वो बहुत बीमार है बेचारा, उसको कोई बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस डिजीज है या उसको प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था उसके साथ. Only thing was that being over pampered, over protected, overfed. Remember this word over, O-V-E-R, over. When we use over, then means we are doing it in the extreme. Like I say, overfed. Fed is the second form of feed. Feed, fed, fed. So overfed means fed more than required. So if we eat more than what is required, what happens to us? We become obese. All of you must have heard obese, obesity. We become obese. Similarly with animals. So the dog is overfed, overprotected, overcared, and all this leads to this problem. And then this vet is a very wise, sensible person. So he shifts the dog to his own place. Okay, he gets into his own place, and then he says, okay, I'll treat him here. And then he keeps him at his own place and treats him, and the dog gets well. So it's a triumph of surgery, although no surgery takes place. ठीक है, नाम लेसन का triumph of surgery. ऐसा नहीं कि सर्जरी हुई डॉग की कोई सर्जरी नहीं की गई, वो ऐसे ठीक हो गया. वो कैसे ठीक हुआ ये हमें देखना है. So let us read the lesson. Sorry. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Mistress is master, feminine mistress. By his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So as I gave you a hint, that although the name of the chapter is a triumph of surgery, but no surgery took place. No operation of any kind took place. It was very simple procedure which he did. I was really worried about Tricky this time. So this is an autobiographical story where the author himself is the writer of this story. It happened with him. He says, I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. Mistress means the owner. And I was shocked at his appearance. Okay? So, what is the important thing here? Shocked at the appearance. I'm underlining it. You can also underline in your book. What is the reaction of the doctor to this dog, Tricky? When he sees the dog, he's shocked at the appearance. Now, what is so special about the appearance? क्या है ऐसा भी कि वो shock हो गया? He had become hugely fat. He, who is this he? That dog. He had become hugely fat. Like a bloated sausage. What is bloated? Bloated is more than swollen, like bloated. Sometimes you get a bloated tummy. You see a balloon? Fill the balloon with water. Fill the balloon with air. कैसा हो जाता है? फूल जाता है ना, उसे कहते हैं bloated. जिसमें लिक्विड या कोई गैस भर जाए तो bloated हो जाता है. Bloated sausage. Sausage is it's a piece of meat. Okay. With a leg at each corner. So he looked like a huge piece of meat, sausage. Okay, huge piece of meat, and there are two legs. There are legs at each corner. Means he was so fat, so obese, इतना मोटा हो गया. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy. So these three lines, now they are giving us a description of the dog. What happened to the dog? It gives us a description. These three lines, I have underlined it. You can see on the screens. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Rheumy means water was flowing. Sometimes you see you get up in the morning and some kind of stuff flowing down from your eyes. That is rheumy. Stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. I haven't come to lolled as yet. Somebody is asking the meaning of lolled. I haven't reached that. पहुंचूंगा तो मैं जरूर बताऊंगा. His tongue lolled from his jaws. L-O-L-L-E-D, lolled. Lolled is, have you seen the dogs in the summers when they are feeling very hot? So you see that you will see their tongues hanging out of their mouth. They don't have a mouth exactly. They have jaws. Okay. So the tongue was hanging outside the jaws. It's a very common scene. A very common sight. The tongue of a dog hanging out of his mouth. It's not a mouth, in fact, it's a jaw. They are jaws. So what is the difference between mouth and jaw? Even in Hindi, meaning is different. Mouth क्या होता है? मुंह होता है mouth. And what are jaws? Jaws, like we say, jaws of death. Jaws मतलब जबड़े. Jaws होते हैं. Mrs. Humphrey. So first paragraph tells us about when the author saw Tricky. He got really worried about Tricky because it is not natural for a dog. A dog should not look like that. It's not a normal dog. There were some symptoms. What were the symptoms? Any one of you can see. What were the symptoms? Symptoms are number 1, hugely fat. Okay? Hugely fat. Number 2, bloated. Number 3, bloodshot. His eyes were bloodshot and rheumy. So these are the symptoms that show that the dog is not well. There is something wrong with the dog. The dog is not normal. Mrs. Humphrey hastened to explain. Mrs. Humphrey is the owner of the dog. Hastened means hurried. She's in a hurry to explain what happened to the dog. He was so listless. What is listless? Appearing very lazy, inactive, listless. Like a dog, you see a dog. Normally you see an animal, it's very active. It wants lie all the time. It won't be sitting all the time. It will be moving around. But this dog is listless. Means he just wants to sit. He just wants to lie down. He was so listless. Mr. Harriet. Who is this Mr. Harriet? He's the author. Mr. Harriet. Okay, bloodshot. Mahi says, what is bloodshot? Yes, what is bloodshot? As if blood was in his eyes. That is bloodshot. You know? Means what will be the color of bloodshot eyes? Anyone? Color of bloodshot eyes will be like blood. Red. So his eyes were red. And rheumy, some watery discharge was coming down from his eyes. Right? So, okay, anybody has a doubt, you can just put it in the chat box. या फिर बोल के भी पूछ सकते हो, क्लियर कर लेना. He seemed to have, so Mr. Harriet is the doctor, he is the vet, he is the author. He seemed to have no energy. अब यहाँ पे ही किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है? देखो, डॉग के लिए ही यूज हो रहा है. वैसे हम क्या करते हैं? वैसे हम इट लगा देते हैं डॉग के लिए, कैट के लिए हम इट लगाते हैं, ह्यूमन भी इसके लिए ही लगाते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर हम ही लगाया गया डॉग के लिए, दिखाने के लिए कि डॉग बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. डॉग का स्टेटस इतना उन्होंने बढ़ा दिया, इतना रेस कर दिया कि वो क्या हो गया कि वो एकदम ह्यूमन क्योंकि उसे ट्रीटमेंट भी तो ह्यूमंस जैसा मिल रहा है. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Now see, the kind of treatment that is being given to the dog. Okay, you see for yourself. Is this the treatment which is given to a dog? Okay, do we find a dog? We say, oh, the dog is malnourished. He is not getting the proper vitamins, etc. होता है कैसे? नहीं, हम ऐसे यूज नहीं करते उसके. We don't use such things for dogs, malnutrition, etc. We can say, oh, dog is very weak, but not malnutrition. यहाँ पे वो कहती है उसकी जो mistress है, what does she say? She said, oh, he is suffering from malnutrition. She thought, he is suffering from malnutrition. So, and she is very concerned, she is very protective, she is very worried about the dog, like a mother would be worried about the child. तो क्या किया उसने? जब उसे लगा भाई ये कुपोषित हो गया, कौन? डॉग. I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. So the dog is having meals. 2-3 बार खाना खाना होगा. He is having meals. Okay. And she says, oh, meals are not enough. खाने से 2-3 बार खाने से बात नहीं बन रही. तो क्या किया उसने? Little extras to build him up. Build him up, you know, to make him feel more energetic, to give him so build up his body. Some malt. Okay. Malt is a grain which is used to make beer and whiskey. वो malt did. It's cod liver oil. Cod liver. It comes from the fish. And a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Now see. Okay, that is the treatment the dog is getting. The dog is getting what kind of treatment? We call it the dog is getting treated like a human being. Okay. The dog is getting treated like a human being. Human treatment of the dog. From these lines it becomes clear. He is even getting Horlicks at night. Nothing much really. And what does she say? Mrs. Pumphrey क्या कहती है? वो कहती है नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. बस ये तो दिया मैंने, कुछ ज़्यादा थोड़ी दिया, यही सब दिया. Now you tell me, ये ज़्यादा नहीं है क्या? Dog के लिए. और dog पहले ही इतना कैसा है वो? He looks like a sausage, a huge piece of meat. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Cut down means reduce. Okay? Cut down means reduce. You can take down the meaning. Cut down is reduce. Sweet things as I told you, because sugar, what is the property of sugar? If you want to lose weight, then what is advised? Nutritionists will advise that चीनी कम कर दो. तो उसने कहा, now the vet is saying, I asked you to cut down on the sweet things as I told you. Oh, I did for a bit. But he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. So Mrs. Pumphrey, she stopped the sweet things which she gave to the dog. But then what did she feel? उसे लगा भाई he has become very weak. I had to relent. Relent means I had to give up. I again started giving the sweets. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. So look what the dog loves. We'll say the dog loves meat. Here we have a dog who loves cream cakes and chocolates. So I can't bear to refuse him. Beer, what is beer? Hear me. I can't tolerate. I can't stand to refuse the dog. If he loves cream, cakes and chocolates, so I will get. I can't stop myself. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. So what was the trouble? The attitude of Mrs. Pumphrey towards the dog. What is the name of the dog? Tricky. So attitude of Mrs. Pumphrey towards Tricky is the problem. उसका जो attitude है उसके लिए कि वो उसको treat कर रही है, over pamper कर रही है. हाँ, relent, R-E-L-E-N-T, relent. Relent means to give up, stop. Did she stop giving him the sugar? She didn't. पहले क्या किया? उसने रोक दिया. दोबारा शुरू कर दिया फिर. क्यों? वो अपने आप वो इतना बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती कि भाई मैं इसे मना करूं, तो उसने गिव अप कर दिया. Relent means to give up. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. Okay, Tricky's only fault was greed. That was the problem. He had become greedy. Why? Because he was getting it. Normally you look at the street dogs, the stray dogs. क्या मिलता है उनको खाने के लिए? They are not getting much. They have to search for their food. they will get they will get the leftovers, they will get the food which is thrown away, they will have to search for the food in the garbage dump. ओके, बासी बासी की रोटी मिल जाएगी उनको खाने के लिए. यहाँ पे कैसा डॉग है, देखो हॉर्लिक्स मिल रहा है उसको पीने के लिए रात को, जिससे कि नींद आ जाए उसे. कॉड लिवर ऑयल मिल रहा है उसको, और न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट मिल रही है, 3 टाइम 2 उसको मील्स मिल रहा है खाने के लिए. So he has become greedy. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Tackle, what is tackle? T-A-C-K-L-E. Tackle means to handle. Okay, tackle is handle. So he could handle a meal at any time of the day. Any hour of the day or night. मतलब क्या है? कभी भी खिला लो उसे. किसी भी सो रहा है, उठा दो और उसके सामने रख दो, निपटा देगा. एंड आई वंडर्ड अबाउट ऑल द थिंग्स मिसेस पंफ्री हैडंट मेंशन. सो देखो मिसेस पंफ्री ने क्या क्या मेंशन किया. लुक इन द सेकंड पैराग्राफ, यू कैन सी व्हाट ऑल मिसेस पंफ्री हैज मेंशन. शी हैज मेंशन सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट देयर आर सम थिंग्स व्हिच शी हैजंट मेंशन. ओके, शी हैज हिडन दोस थिंग्स, शी हैजंट टोल्ड द डॉक्टर. आर यू गिविंग हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodkin the gardener has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So, taking the dog out for a walk is also very important. You can't keep it tied all the day, all the time. ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकते ना, उसे सारे दिन बांध के रखोगे उसे, ऐसे तो होगा ही नहीं. So, she says that he has been having his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodkin the gardener has been down with lumbago. Now lumbago is this. It's a muscular pain which you get in your lower back. Okay, due to that the gardener is suffering from lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Ring throwing, you understand? Ring throwing. Throwing of the ring, and he throws the ring and the dog runs and brings it back. तो कह रहा है भाई वो नहीं हो पा रहा. Ring throwing नहीं हो पा रहा. किस वजह से? Gardener is not feeling well. So what is happening? What is the result? That he is not getting proper exercise. Right? Means the dog is not getting the proper exercise because Hodkin the gardener is down with lumbago. So there is no ring throwing. Okay, now we come to the second page. Roshan wants to ask something. Roshan, you can write in the chat what you want. I will answer. Just now Roshan raised his hand. I don't know why he raised his hand. Okay, मुझे आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है मेरा second page. Leave it. Book से पढ़ता. Okay, now look at your books. I tried to sound severe. Severe means, what is severe? Severe means strict. He says I tried to sound means that I should appear very strict. He had this serious voice. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. That the doctor gives this advice. He says, if you don't cut down his food right down, if you don't cut down, what is cut down? Means to reduce. If you don't reduce the amount of food he eats and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. It is going to be something serious. It is going to be something serious. What? If 2 things are not done. Thing number 1, if you don't cut down on his food. Number 2, if you don't give him proper exercise, then what will happen? He will be seriously ill. Fine? Okay. You must harden your heart. Now, second page, I think there is some problem with the second page is not coming. Okay. तो अभी मैं सेकंड पेज नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा इस पर. बुक में देख लो, किसी के पास शायद बुक नहीं है. नेक्स्ट टाइम देखते हैं कैसे आएगा सेकंड पेज. पता नहीं, शायद डाउनलोड नहीं हो पाया. ओके, आई एम सॉरी फॉर द सेकंड पेज. आगे पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं, सेकंड पेज से पढ़ रहा हूँ. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Harden your heart. What is harden your heart? What is the opposite of harden? Soften. Now Mrs. Pumphrey's heart was very soft. She always said, oh, my poor dog must feel hungry. My poor dog is getting weaker. ऐसा लगता था उसको. और वो क्या करती थी? एकदम इमोशनल हो जाती थी डॉग के बारे में. वो क्या करती थी? इमोशनल होती, चलो भाई लो खाओ, टॉफी दो, चॉकलेट दो और केक दो इसे खाने के लिए. सॉफ्ट हार्टेड, बहुत उसको इमोशनली अटैच थी, तो उसको फीलिंग्स है उसके साथ, तो इसलिए वो ऐसे कर दी। अंडरस्टैंड? तो उसने कभी हार्ड करना पड़ेगा अपना हार्ट, मीन्स यू विल हैव टू मेक योर हार्ट स्ट्रॉन्गर. डोंट गेट इमोशनल. कीप हिम ऑन अ स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. WRUNG, wrung. What is wrung? It's a gesture which you do with your hands, which show your inability to do something. मैं कहता अभी क्या करूँ, हाथ हिलाने लगता हूँ. That is wrung. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. What is difficult for Mrs. Pumphrey? Not to feel soft, not to feel sympathetic for the dog. ठीक है, उसके लिए बड़ा मुश्किल है कि उसके लिए बड़ा मुश्किल क्या है कि भाई वो उसके लिए सॉफ्ट फील ना करे, वो हमेशा सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर्स डॉग के साथ. She set off. She proceeded. Head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. What is regime? Regime is the rules. She ऐसा लगा डॉक्टर को भी अब ये डिटरमिन्ड हो गई, अब इसने मजबूत इरादा कर लिया कि जो डॉक्टर ने कहा है, regime means the set of rules which the doctor had told her, do this, don't do this. She will put it into practice immediately. ऐसे गई है. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Tottering. What is totter? Totter means to walk unsteadily. Okay, unsteadily. Have you seen like somebody of you may have gone to the mountains, तो जाते हैं जैसे, तो वहाँ घोड़े होते हैं छोटे वाले, खच्चर जो बैठ जिस पे बैठ के जाते हैं, तो वो टॉटर करते हैं, उस पे बैठो ना ऐसा लगता है अभी गिरा देगा. दैट इज टॉटरिंग, मीन्स अनस्टेडी, स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है उसमें. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Now you can underline this. कोट भी था उसके पास. किसके पास? इसके पास, अपने डॉग के पास. Okay, have you seen dogs wearing coats? Not the poor dogs in the street. They are poor, miserable creatures. They face the weather, whether it is hot, heat or it is cold. They face it. But there are dogs which are pets. You know, the pet dogs are the luckier ones. होते हैं ना लकी, इनको सर्दियों में कभी कभी देखते उनको कपड़ा वपड़ा लपेट देता है उनके ऊपर. तो और इसके पास क्या था, प्रॉपर कोट था इसका. ट्वीड इज अ फैब्रिक. जस्ट नाउ माही आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज ट्वीड. ट्वीड इज it's a fabric, very coarse kind of fabric. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. Now see, not a single coat. Pampered था ना, loved था बहुत ज्यादा pet को. Mrs. Pumphrey, she kept him like her own child. So what did he have? He had a wardrobe of coats. Means large number of coats. For the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. Look how pampered he is. What a luxurious life the dog is leading. This guy Tricky, the dog. रेनकोट भी है उसके पास. देखा कभी डॉग को रेनकोट पहने? इसके पास था. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. Struggled on. Why struggle? Struggle, you know, when you are fighting against something, when you are applying some force, that is struggle. In Hindi we call it संघर्ष. So what is he doing संघर्ष with? With himself. He struggled on. Why? इतना तो वेट है उसका, बेचारे को अपना वेट कैरी करना मुश्किल हो रहा है. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. Now what is this word droop? You might confuse it with drop, 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 but this is a double O. So what does droop mean? Droop, you know, droop means hanging loosely. ठीक है? Like if you don't water the plants in summer, then the leaves you will find they are drooping. ऐसे लटक जाते हैं बेचारे मुरझा के ऐसे. Drooping तो लटक के चल रहा था. In his harness is that with which he was tied. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. I thought. Who thought? The vet, the doctor. He thought it wouldn't be long. Means it won't be much time. Very soon I am going to get a call from this woman, Mrs. Pumphrey. For whom? For this dog, related to the dog. So भाई कंडीशन ऐसी उसकी डॉग की, करना ही करना उसने कॉल. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Oh, disturbed, very disturbed. Tricky would eat nothing. No. कितना खाता था? होता है ना ऐसे, like, suppose you stop eating suddenly, your parents would be distraught. What has happened? They're getting your favorite food. Mother is cooking the favorite food. You refuse it, then they order the fast food which you love. You refuse even that. फिर तो उनकी चिंता और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी. पिज्जा भी मना कर दिया उसने, फ्रेंच फ्राइज भी मना कर दिए. फिर कहेंगे अब क्या बात है दीदी, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. ऐसे डिस्ट्रॉट, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा परेशान हो जाएंगे. सो मिसेस पंफ्री वाज डिस्ट्रॉट. रीजन, Tricky would not eat, would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes. And besides, what besides? He had bouts of vomiting. Vomiting, you know, all of you. What is a bout? Bout होता है ना बॉक्सिंग में, बॉक्सिंग बाउट. तो यहाँ पे बाउट क्या है? बाउट होता है एक सीरीज, लगातार कोई चीज हो रही है. कैसे मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. लाइक इज अ बाउट ऑफ कफिंग. बाउट ऑफ कफिंग होता है ना, कभी कभी खांसने लगता है, लगातार खांसता ही रहता है. 5 मिनट में 5-7 बार खांस लिया. बाउट ऑफ कफिंग. सो ही हैड बाउट्स ऑफ वॉमिटिंग इन शॉर्ट पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम में, लगातार उसको वॉमिटिंग हो रही. ही स्पेंट ऑल हिज टाइम लाइंग ऑन अ रग. Rug, you know, rug, like a rug is like a mat which is on the floor, very coarse fabric rug. Carpet. Panting. What is panting? Not painting. Not painting. Panting. Breathing heavily. Okay. Normally you are sitting at home now, right now. I am sitting at home. So can you hear my breathing? No. Can you hear your own breathing? No. Why? You are breathing normally. But if you run for, suppose you go out in the street and a dog chases you for half a kilometer. At the end of it, others can hear your breathing. आ रही है बात समझ में? एक डॉग ने आपको दौड़ाया 500 मीटर, बहुत फास्ट स्पीड से. The dog was chasing you and you ran to escape the dog. You ran for your dear life. And at the end of it, you stopped the dog. You escaped the dog. So at the end of it, you will be breathing so heavily that others can hear your breathing. That is panting. हिंदी में कहते हैं वो हाँ फरक, हाँफना. सो एक तो उस केस में हाँफेगा. तो ये कोई दौड़ रहा है क्या? ये पड़े पड़े हाँफ रहा है, क्या मतलब है? There is some, he is not able to breathe properly. Probably it is due to his weight. Didn't want to go for walks and didn't want to do anything. So this is how this Tricky, he is behaving in a different manner. He is behaving in a manner which is worrying his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. All these things, you can just keep it in mind. Number 1, what? He would eat nothing. Number 2, he refused his favorite dishes. Number 3, he had bouts of vomiting. Number 4, he was lying on the rug panting. He did not go out for a walk. He didn't want to do anything. All these things. So, there is something wrong. Symptoms are not good. I had made my plans in advance. Now the author. उसे पता था होना है, तो उसने क्या किया? पहले से उसने अपने प्लान्स बना लिए इन एडवांस. तो क्या होता है? The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. So Tricky has to be shifted away from the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. Fortnight, 15 days. तो ये सजेशन दे, 15 दिन रखना पड़ेगा इसको हॉस्पिटल में, अलग, घर से दूर. क्वारंटाइन कर देते हैं इसको ना, वेरी कॉमन टर्म, क्वारंटाइन these days. Under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. SWOONed. What is swoon? Swoon. Fainted. मूर्छित हो गई. मूर्छित है ना, you must have heard this word. मूर्छित means बेहोश. सुनते ही बेहोश हो गई वो तो चक्कर आ गए उसे. She was so sure he would pine and die. She was sure. What? He would pine. What is P-I-N-E? Pine. Pine is a noun. If you go to the hills, you will find the pine trees. देखे ना पाइन ट्री, तो शो पीस भी लाते हैं वहां से, उसका जो फ्रूट ऐसा होता है ना, लकड़ी वाला, पाइन ट्रीज. यहाँ पे जो पाइन है ना, इट्स नॉट अ नाउन, इट्स अ वर्ब. बड़ा कॉमन मीनिंग है इसका. हम सब बोलते हैं सुबह से शाम तक, कई बार बोल देते हैं. वी से इट टू पीपल whom we somebody will say I'll miss you. Okay, when you miss someone, means somebody has gone away, somebody is not there, you are parted from that person, separated from that person, then you miss that person and you remember that person. That is fine. Understand? Pine, noun, pine is verb. Means you miss someone, that feeling you have. She was sure he would pine. अच्छा 9th में हमने किया था ना वो ब्रूनो वाला चैप्टर था बेयर वाला, तो बेयर was pining for that woman. Remember that? Pine. तो ऐसे वो उसे क्या लगा उसकी मिस्ट्रेस को, ये तो मुझे बहुत मिस करेगा and die if he did not see her every day. He will die without me. But I took a firm line. But the doctor was very strict man. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. डॉक्टर को भी पता भी घर में रह के इसका नहीं हो सकता ट्रीटमेंट. रीजन क्या है? ये रहेगा घर में, शी विल पैम्पर हिम. हु? मिसेस पम्फ्री. व्हाई? शी इज अ सॉफ्ट हार्ट. शी कांट सी द डॉग बीइंग पुट ऑन अ डाइट. डाइट चार्ट होता है ना, न्यूट्रिशन देते हैं उसको भी, ठीक है अब ये खाने आप, बस आपको भी वो लौकी का जूस पीना, लाइक दैट, करेले का जूस पीना ऑन अ डाइट. तो ऐसे ही उसने डॉक्टर ने कहते भाई कम खिलाओ. अब उसे लग रहा है भाई मैं कैसे खिला देती कम, उसे कभी भी नहीं खिलाती. घर में रह के उसका हो ही नहीं सकता ट्रीटमेंट. सो डॉक्टर हैज डिसाइडेड द ओनली वे ही कैन बी ट्रीटेड इज टू गेट हिम अवे फ्रॉम द होम, एंड इफ ही इज इन द हॉस्पिटल वी विल बी अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड वी विल ट्रीट हिम आवर वे. I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. Yes, it can be fatal. Fatal, F-A-T-A-L. Many times in 9th standard we're discussing this word often. F-A-T-A-L. Fatal means which can kill. Fatal. I took a firm line. Sorry. That was the only way to save him. Yes, if he does not adopt this way, then what is going to happen? He's going to die. Who? This dog. Why? Because of being overfed. Overfed मतलब ठूस के खिला रहे, उसको मोटा कर दिया, खिला के ओबीस कर दिया, तो क्या उसको मरने उसकी जो है जान खतरे में, फेटल हो सकता है उसकी. तो the only way they can save his life is to take him to the hospital. I thought it best to take him without delay and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing. So doctor says without any delay. ऐसे नहीं उसे हम ले जाएंगे 5-7 दिन के बाद, नहीं, अभी भेजो. Right now he has to be taken to the hospital. Okay, so and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing. What is wailing? W-A-I-L-I-N-G. Wailing means crying, very loudly crying. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Wrapped, W-R-A-P-P-D, wrapped means like a wrapper, a toffee, you see toffee, it is wrapped. And what is Mrs. Pumphrey doing? She is crying.